Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Street Fighter 4 using an Android tablet. This step will help you in your iOS device as well, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. If you want to change the language in Street Fighter 4 on your device, then first of all, launch open Street Fighter 4 on your device. Make sure that you're inside the home screen or the main menu page. From the page, go to the top right corner and tap on the other button. From the other tab, click on options. Under options, scroll down and look for the language option and tap on it. And then go ahead and scroll through the available language, which is only 3 in my case at the moment. Choose the language you want to change to, and the language change will take effect immediately. So that's how you can easily change language in Street Fighter 4. By repeating this step, you will be able to change to your other language preferences whenever you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.